So in this depiction, we need to know x in 2143 in the fifth column, or the seam column, or the fourth dimension of time. And that didn't really show us how we get that. Wow, did I ever find that? So, what is an x? It's the 24th letter, or it's the Roman numeral 10. Alright. What's on my reckoner? That makes an x. Where the sum of this line is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 23, 24. 24th letter. And if you take out the middle things that are common to both, you're left with a 10. The value of x. So I'm pretty certain that 0, 5, 7x are proper. Not only that, I really do believe that 76 is here. Because when we go back to where we started from, we have a circled 69, which is equivalent to a 70. So we have a 70, and then we have a 1, 1, 13. Well, 70, 1, 2, 3, and another 3 is 76. So I like that. But we don't have our 2143. How do we get that? Oh, okay. What's before the 2143? 1, 7, 13, 110. All right. What does that equal? I believe it's like... Now, because it's a 1 of 1 of 7 of 13 of 110, we have 5 things. So if we divide that by 5, we actually get 2002. Okay. Now if we add 110, if we add 13, if we add a 17, and if we add a 1 to that, figure 1 of 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. Go do the math. It's interesting because 2143 is the 26th thing created. The 26th thing created. I've been doing a lot of shit here, okay? Yeah. The club definitely says club. CL11. Or a 2-1. 21st letter is a U. CL21. Or a circled 1-1 is like a B. CLUB. Circle 3 is a C, 1, 1, 1, 10 is 13, 13 is a circled 12, circle 3 is a C, a circled 12 is an L, you have an 11 and a 10 with a 1 to circle it, that's a 21 circled, that's a U, and then you got 2 1s left over, I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 18 looks like a circled 2 bubbles, if you think about it. Club means club. Means club. Yeah, very interesting things too. If you take the 12th letter being an L, add 26 to it, you get 38. Add the Roman numeral 50. So not only is it 26, it's a capital, it has a letter distinction, and has Roman numeral distinction. It has 3 things distinction. If you add them all together, you get 91. If you do the same thing for the C, 3. 26, it's Roman numeral 100, it's 3 things, you get 132. Hilarious that in here, LC 110, if you add 110, the L and the C, you'll get 333, which is fantastic. And if you multiply these two together, you're going to get 12,012. Not 1212, but 12,012, which looks like when you go down the middle, a 21, that's a 2, then that's a 2, that's a 4, and that would be a 3, 2143. Very interesting. It says club. Oh yeah, and then I did this, and I was like looking at where we got to go next. And I know that this is a 1 of 7 of 13 of 110 of 2143, and I just found it. How do you find the one below it? The 6436. Yeah, found that too. Yep. There it is. So what I did down here is I took 1 times 8 times 21 times 340, and you get 57,120. I divided that by the 9 unknowns we have to get 6346, when the actual answer is 6436. So really, we only need 89 1/3 to get 6436. And if you reduced all the ones before it, 2143 is a 10, 712 is a 10, 235 is a 10, 76 is a 13. An X can be a 24 letter or a 6 or the 10. So I said it's 16, that's a 7, that's a 5, circle slash is a 2. Add this all up, you get 73. 73 take away from 89 and a third is 16 and a third. Where do I see 16 and a third? I don't know. 16 and a third? Yeah. I guess I just found the 25th thing and the 26th thing created a different way than I ever have. By following the path of energy and knowing, because I don't know where to start. Like, where the hell do I start? Do I start here? Do I start solving the 5th column from here? Do I start solving the 5th column from here? Do I start solving the 5th column from here? Well, that's the lowest number. That's the highest number, and that's kind of an intermediate number. Now, isn't it? So, check mark for that one, check mark for that one. That's your X, so we check mark that. That's your 7, so check mark that. That's your circle the slash through it, so check mark that. This I know is a circle the slash through it. This I know is a 6. This I know is a V, because this is a V, and that's a 1. And that's a 5. So, check mark for 32. 33 I know is a 5. 35. We solved for this already. Solved for this already. Okay, 35 is the next one you need to solve for. I guess. Wow. That's it. There you go. I'm so done for now. I hope you're enjoying.